Kolar resident Abhay is studying in BSS college. He is depressed and feels helpless because of high prices of petrol and diesel. He explains that he used to go college 3 times from 100 rupees of petrol. Now it is difficult to complete the entire journey of college even 2 times. Falling prices of petrol and diesel directly affect the pocket money, due to which expenses of other things like stationery, unnecessary clothes and travelling has to minimize to maintain budget. He remains confused to understand his requirement and thinks to left in a specific money plan.
पहले में 100 रुपए के पेट्रोल में 3 बार कॉलेज हुआ था, अब 2 बार ही बड़े मुश्किल से हो पाता है। इस पेट्रोल के बढ़ते दामों के चक्कर में मुझे बाकी खर्चे रोकने पड़े, जैसे कभी घूमना है, कभी कपड़े लेने हैं। तो ये सब चीज़ें ऐसा अगर ऐसी पेट्रोल बढ़ते रहे तो ऐसा थोड़ा ना हो पाएगा कुछ।
The rising prices has affected to people of all sections, along with the old citizens too. The pension person Mewalal says that in this inflationary phase, pensioners have to take care of them. We cannot spend single penny without a specific plan. If we do not save for medicines or upcoming events, then there will be a lot of trouble in future. Some policies and guidelines should be made to overcome these problems, where more savings should be made while this inflation is forcing them to reduce the things they need.
आज के समय में महंगाई दिनों पर दिन बढ़ती चली जा रही है, जिससे पेंशन वालों को अपना खर्चा चलाना बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है। ऐसे में पैसे का बचत करना किसी तरह से या खर्च चलाना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि पेंशन वालों की जो वेतन है वो निश्चित हुआ है, उसी वेतन से सब कुछ चलाना होता है, जिससे इसमें किसी तरह से महंगाई जरूर कम होनी चाहिए।
Fuel prices are high mainly for 2 reasons: imposing tax and other levies. Though the goods and service tax has no influence on the fuel prices of Bhopal, as diesel is not liable to GST, which is presently imposed at 4 rates: 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. It has been approximately 20 times in a year that prices of petrol and diesel has been increased. Big difference in lifestyle of people can be seen. It is difficult to live a normal life if situation continues like this. In these situations, government can be expected to charge less. With cameraman Saurabh, Sakshi Katyal, Lake City Live.